Justin Fulton at the time of his surgery was about 28, 29 years old. He had previously had hernia surgery.
During that surgery, something that we will never know happened, where his right femoral nerve was irreparably injured, leaving him with no motor function or sensation in his right leg above his knee and including his knee. We could not find any instance, both in our own research and using medical doctors, that this type of injury had ever happened in this type of case.
We knew that this is a visual case. We have fantastic plaintiffs. They're just good people who went through something terrible. But to convey that to a jury is very difficult. It's a lot easier to talk to lawyers about it, but 12 random people don't always get that. And so you've got to convey that to them in a case where generally Justin looks perfectly normal and they don't get to see the day-to-day issues that he goes through. So we knew in the beginning that was going to be our most difficult test of this case. Once we figured out that we could create a video that we could portray the truth of what Justin deals with every day, we realized that was really the right alley to go down, and it turned out to be right.
Doing this day in the life video helped take that next step to supplement the testimony of both Justin, Amy, and the fact witnesses and the expert witnesses.
When we got the video back from Prairie Nation, we went through it and tried to figure out exactly how to best present this to the other side. Because the video was so impactful, we felt like giving that to a mediator would be a great opportunity for the mediator to also understand what Justin goes through every day. The value we felt that would build into the case and build into the mediation would pay for itself, and it did. We were lucky enough to have a mediator who viewed the video beforehand, and one of the first things that he said when he came into our room during mediation was, "I've got to see what you go through every day," and we realized, how significant this injury is. He was very impressed by the video. He was very impressed by the way that it was filmed.
Over the course of 4 days, the jury heard testimony.
The jury was out for approximately 45 minutes and came back. Considering Justin's injuries, his age, and the amount of time that he's going to have to live with this issue, they awarded $17.5 million for my clients.
Which was $14 million for Justin Fulton and $3.5 million for his wife, Amy. Prairie Nation asked the right questions to deliver a narrow and focused video, and it delivered a package that was compelling to the jury during this trial.
We've used them in the past and we're going to use them again. I felt like we always had good communication. Anytime I needed something, we got a return phone call, a return email fairly quickly. This video in particular had to be edited several times for different reasons, including a mediation version and a trial version. Anytime we needed those edits done, we had them communicated to Prairie Nation and we had them returned within a couple days at the most. For all these lawyers out there, that's a big deal. The value that we felt like we got out of the video, the cost was minimal compared to what we got out of it. We would certainly do that again, maybe in different forms, maybe in the same form, depending on the situation. Having those people come in my office and see them appreciate what we've done working on their behalf, it makes a big difference. It's a lot easier than working for an insurance company who you don't have a face to put to your client.